prickly, bubbly, let's sing and play.
A for apple, red and sweet to eat. B for ball, bounce it down the street. C for cat, it loves to purr and play. D for dog, wagging tail all day. E for elephant, big and gray and strong. F for fish, swims all day long. G for goat, it climbs up the hill. H for hat, keeps your head still. I for ice, cold and full of fun. J for juice, made from fruits in the sun. K for kite, flying high in the sky. L for lion, with a roar so high. N for monkey, swinging tree to tree. N for nest, where birds love to be. O for orange, round and juicy, bright. P for panda, cuddly and white. Q for queen, wearing a golden crown. R for rabbit, hopping up and down. S for sun, shining warm and light. T for train, moving day and night. U for umbrella, keeps you dry in rain. V for van, driving down the lane. W for watch, ticking all the time. X for xylophone, playing notes that shine. Y for yak, furry and strong too. Z for zebra, with stripes black and white. Woohoo!